Details are now being released that show Donald Trump did not follow health guidelines when he held his Duluth, Minnesota, rally that was just a little more than 24 hours before he tested positive for the coronavirus. Before the September 30 rally, local officials had asked the campaign to follow state public health guidelines meant to help control the spread of the virus, according to documents. The campaign signed an agreement, then broke it. As part of the rules, attendance for the rally was supposed to be limited to 250 people. Yet, on the day of the rally, Trump supporters poured into the Duluth International Airport. They were not social distancing, and many were not wearing masks. "We have been notified that the 250-person limit has been exceeded," wrote an airport representative in an email to a campaign official late in the afternoon. "This email serves as our notice of a contract violation, and we are requesting you remedy the situation." The warning wasn't answered or heeded. There were more than 2,500 people at the event. The Washington Post obtained the emails and documents through open records requests. They show Duluth officials insisted that the campaign obey the rules and commit to following the rules, but they did not. Ultimately, the rules were not enforced, as public health officials feared a backlash from the president. "We will not incite an incident by unilaterally taking physical action to close the event," wrote the airport's executive director, Tom Werner, to the airport's appointed board members the morning before the rally. State health officials have traced 19 cases of the virus to 2 Trump rallies in September. 3 of them were at the Duluth event. The Duluth Airport Authority said in a statement that it takes health mandates seriously. It was made clear to the Trump campaign, in the lead-up to the event. Mike Pence planned a rally for Monday afternoon in an airport in Hibbing, Minnesota, about 60 miles north of Duluth. At least 5 members of his staff have tested positive in the past week, though he has tested negative. The Reno-Tahoe Airport Authority told one of its tenants early last month that it couldn't hold a 5,000-person Trump rally in a hangar, citing the state's limit of 50 people in a crowd, according to another letter obtained by the Post. "It's really hard to stand up to a president who insists on holding an event that puts the health of your community at risk because presidents have a lot of power," said Cypress. Hanka, the attorney, sent the campaign a formal letter on October 5, notifying them that they had breached the agreement's 250 people limit. It also informed them they had not paid the airport the $20,000 fee for hosting the event. Officials won't say whether they have since been paid, as that's covered in the non-disclosure agreement. But it's known the Trump campaign is having money trouble.